Hi, it's Jacob here, and in today's quick tip, I'm going to show you how you can share the Wi-Fi password between one device to another. This is great for when you've got a really long and complex password that takes ages to type in. I'm going to show you 3 different ways, and stick around to the end because the last one, if you haven't seen it before, will blow your mind. So, to begin with, I've joined the Wi-Fi network in my hotel, and it's working really well on my iPhone, but not on my iPad. So on the iPad, I'm simply going to tap on the Wi-Fi network, and it'll bring up that box that says type in password, and oh, on my iPhone, look, it's offering to share that password. Yep, that's right. You haven't actually got to do anything here at all. And that's because if the device you're sharing to is part of your contacts on your phone, you haven't got to do anything else. You can just tap the share button and it will put the password magically onto the other device. It probably isn't magic, but it feels like it. Okay, but if that doesn't work, if the device isn't in your contacts, we can find the password in a different way. In fact, 2 other ways. So what we'll do on the Wi-Fi network list here, I'll press the little information icon next to the Wi-Fi name that I'm currently on. Then all I have to do is tap on where it says password. It's currently blanked out so you can't see it. Then just like that, we can all see the password in plain English and the other device can type it in nice and quickly. But that's not my favourite way of sharing Wi-Fi passwords. In fact, my favourite way is so special that I want to make a deal with you. If you didn't know you could do this, then you have to subscribe to my channel when you've seen it, because you're going to like it so much that I think you're going to love all the other iPhone quick tips that are there and the ones that I'm working on to come. Okay, we're going to open up the Passwords app by simply searching on the home screen for it. And from here, we're going to tap onto the Wi-Fi networks option in the middle. This will bring up a list of all the Wi-Fi networks that your phone has remembered, anything you've ever joined. Now, the most recent one, the one you're currently connected to, should be at the very top of this list. And if I tap onto there, this is the magic button. Show network QR code. Tapping on there does exactly what it says. It brings up a QR code. But now any device nearby simply has to scan that code using the camera app, and they are immediately connected to that Wi-Fi network. No typing in network names, no passwords, no nothing. It's absolutely brilliant, and the deal's a deal. Make sure you subscribe now you've seen that. And I'll see you next time for another iPhone quick tip.